Hi there. In this video, I wanted to go over some of the differences that you will see if you are using a Mac computer versus a PC, and how to work with that. So, for example, I'm in the ebook under Project 1B, and I'm looking at the Aligning Paragraphs page. And scrolling down, if you're using a PC, they tell you that they want you to select all of the text in the document by pressing Control and then A. On a Mac, they give you this little tip down here that says instead use your Command key plus A to select all of the text. You're going to see this in the 1B simulation training as well, and you can try using this sequencing, and it should work. Let's see, the next thing that I wanted to point out is they also want you to select the three subparagraph headings. So you would select the internship program subheading first, then you're going to scroll down using your mouse wheel or the vertical scroll bar, and then when you locate the second and third, if you're working on a PC, you would use the Control key and then make a selection. But again, here in the ebook, it's telling you to use the Command key instead. So those would be things that should segue over into the 1B simulation as well. I did want to point out, if you are in the 1B simulation, there may be some times if something isn't working, the other thing you can use is this little item down here is an on-screen keyboard. So in this first case, using Control A to select all of the text, this one will work. The other one, where you're trying to select multiple items, won't work. But here what I could do is click on Control and then A and then select Go, and it does that procedure for me. So what I would say is go ahead and work through the simulation trainings using your book as a reference if you're having some difficulty, and then if you run into a problem and you think it's something to do with Mac versus a PC, go ahead and submit your work or send me an email, and I'll certainly be glad to take a look at it. Okay, I hope that this is helpful. Take care.